Hi everyone, um, I have brought another video. In this video I will teach you how you could use the pricing calculator in Microsoft Azure to estimate your costing. So to do that we have to write in the address bar Azure pricing calculator. Okay. So from this URL we can go to the pricing calculator section. So here, as you have seen, that all the features actually available. So based on the features, the estimated prices will be calculated. So let's start. First we are going to choose a virtual machine. So we have chosen our virtual machine, and as you have seen, we have one virtual machine, and the region we have chosen, and based on the region the price actually varies. Just like if we see Central Canada, the price already changed. So for the time being I'm choosing Southeast Asia, and the operating system we are going to choose is Windows, and we are, for the time being, type will be operating system, and tier is standard, and 1 GB RAM and CPU. Temporary storage should be there, and 4 GB temporary storage will be there. One virtual machine. If we choose two virtual machine, as you have seen, the price already changed, and based on the hours we want to use, the price will also be varied. Just like it's right now 7:30. If we choose our virtual machine will be 500 hours, as you have seen that prices are getting low. Then the billing section, there are three options actually. So you can pay 1 year, it will help to reduce cost. Just like 41% discount will be there for you, and if you choose for 3 years, 62% discount. As you have seen, the prices are changing. Or you can choose pay as you go based on the usage. So this is the virtual machine creation process and the pricing process, sorry. Then manage a disk. It's standard HDD disk, 32 GB. It charges 1.54 cent per month. So if you choose 2, the pricing will be changed. Now if we go to the network section, and we can choose the bandwidth for our services. So in here bandwidth section is coming. So based on the region the prices are showing. 6 Gbps outbound data transfer, we can change it to 8 Gbps. As you have seen, the prices are changing. Then we will choose our applications. Again we are going to network section, and we are going to choose our application gateway. After scrolling down, you will find application gateway section. Yeah, this is the application gateway. So based on the data transfer, the charges are varying. So at the end, you can estimate that how much the your given resources, I mean your chosen resources, will cost you per month. So you can see that all the resources will cost you $317.36 per month. If you want, you can export the estimated thing as a Excel file to provide it to your management. So in this way we are calculating the price of our Azure resources. So that's all from me right now. Thank you for watching.